So you might be in a situation where your iPhone is just constantly lagging or maybe it's glitching up like crazy. Now, to go ahead and fix this, it pretty much kind of has to come down to what exactly is going on with your phone. If you have a very old iPhone, something like an iPhone 6S or an iPhone 5S, well, it's going to be slow regardless. So keep that in mind. However, if you're rocking a brand new iPhone like a 13 or 12 or 11, the first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure your phone is somewhat up to date with software. If you're on the most recent version of official version of software, well, then you're pretty much good to go. So make your way over to your settings, scroll down to general, which is right here, go into software update, and all you want to do is go ahead and make sure you're up to date on the most recent version of iOS. Now, if you just installed iOS 16 or the latest official version, which is like the next official release, so if you're on 15 right now, that's been out for a while, but if you're on 16 and you just installed it, that's going to cause some issues on your iPhone regardless because it's so new. So if you just installed it and you're having issues, just be wary that it's going to be okay. It's going to get better throughout time, so you may just have to temporarily wait it out, and then maybe the next week there's going to be another update. So just keep updating your phone. Do not install a beta. That's pretty much the first thing I'd recommend doing. Another thing that I've personally had lots of issues with is sometimes if I'm playing a super intensive game, so for example, if I'm playing Genshin Impact, and if I'm playing it for a long period of time and I put it in the background, sometimes my phone will glitch up a little bit, especially if I have a lot of apps in the background. So you may just want to go ahead and kind of remove some apps too. iOS does a great job of reducing and removing apps in the background anyway, but some of these big games you may just want to go ahead and close out of. That may end up doing it. Now, another thing is if your phone is in the heat, and I'm talking like your phone is overheating like crazy and or it's been in the sun all day and things like that, that can also cause some massive issues for your iPhone. Not massive issues, but massive lag. It's going to be okay, like I mentioned, but you probably want to go ahead and cool your iPhone down before you actually start using it, because a lagging like that may end up occurring if your phone is overheating. Like I said, if it's an older iPhone, like something like an iPhone 6S like this one, well, chances are it's going to be slow regardless because it is an older iPhone that's lagging up like crazy. Another thing you may want to do is just make sure your battery health isn't, completely bad either. So you can make your way over to your iPhone settings here. You want to scroll down into battery. And what you want to do here is click on battery health. And you just want to make sure your battery health right here is fairly high. If it's over 85%, then you're probably good to go. But if it's under 80%, that can also cause some issues of why your iPhone is throttling, because, maybe your performance is sometimes tied to your battery health. So you may just want to go and make sure your battery health is at a pretty decent, situation too. So that is pretty much how to do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. You can also try restarting your phone. So go and just hold down the buttons to restart it and boot it up from there. So that pretty much covers it. Hit the like button if you guys enjoyed the video, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.